Hello guys, this is Terry's riding lawnmower tractor modifications. I don't care what you think, it's the same darn thing. Here's my hoopty. We're gonna mod the crud out of it, you know. She's a hoopty. You know, we got my buddy, my cameraman right there. We're gonna get him to do the videos probably. And we're gonna mod the crap out of this tractor to make her really fast and really obnoxious. You know, we already did the exhaust mod because we don't need exhaust around here where we're going. You see that bad boy. And we're gonna give her a try, bod. Later. Alright, we'll just get a quick ride real quick. Start it up! Yes, sir. She zooms, brother. She zooms. Oh, shoot. Alright. Terry's lawnmower tractor modder's out.